Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by using your Yahoo email as the Apple ID address. This works fine. Open Appleid. Apple, Com or the iPhone settings app to start. Choose Create Apple ID. Enter your name, set the Yahoo address, then create a strong password. Use at least 8 characters with letters and numbers for security. Once done, pick a reliable security question and your birth date. Make sure your phone number is correct now, because Apple sends verification codes to finish the sign-up. Next, verify ownership of both the Yahoo email and your phone number. Apple will send codes to one or both. Check your Yahoo inbox and your phone, input the code exactly as shown. After verification, choose whether to add a payment method. Select None if you only want free downloads. Then enable two-factor authentication for ongoing protection. This links trusted devices to your account. Once configured, review Apple's terms, confirm settings, and sign in to iCloud, App Store, and other Apple services with your new Apple ID. To finish, sign in on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac using the new Apple ID. Sync iCloud, photos, and backups as needed. Double-check your contact email and add a rescue address if desired, because recovery options speed up troubleshooting later. If you encounter problems, wrong password or verification not arriving, first check your Yahoo spam folder and phone signal, then request a new code. If you're locked out, use Apple's account recovery or reset the Apple ID password via the email link sent to your Yahoo account. This usually resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.